Alright guys, here we are on Google Cloud again. Here we have a AlloyDB cluster, an instance. Let's go into our compute engine. There is a client for that. Alright, let's click on my AlloyDB client. Close, okay, authorize. Okay, I'm going to export the IP address without the port. Okay, I'm going to create a txt file of that. Let's connect. Let's use pgbench for Postgres. I'm gonna ask my password. Okay, it's generating some stuff. You know how many tuples it is doing? You can check from here. 50 million. It's just generating some data. Oh, it's not going that fast as I would like, but okay. That's where that finishes. Then we're gonna check it out how much we have on our pgbank accounts, which is just creating this data. Okay, we are getting there. 69%, 70. Here we go. Alright, we are almost there. So I execute the pgbench, gray, creating primary keys. Come on, let's go. So it's alright, done with that. Let's see. Yes, it takes some time. It's time. Come on. Let's connect into that. Put my password. Then I'm gonna count how much we have done. Google Square should be faster. Alright, that's what I wanted. Okay, 1,000. 2 million. Alright, that's what I would like to share in the first video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.